Hey dear car enthusiasts, welcome to another informative video brought to you by Prince Automotive. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of brake systems where stopping power is unleashed. Let's get started. A car's brake system is crucial for your safety and the performance of your vehicle. Let's break down the key components that make up this essential system. First, we have the brake pads, which creates friction against the rotors to slow down or stop the car. The rotors attached to the wheels provide a surface for the brake pads to grip onto, and the calipers, powered by hydraulic pressure, squeeze the brake pads onto the rotors. Regular inspection of your brake pads is vital to ensure they are in good condition. Here's a simple way to check them. Look through the wheel spokes and observe the brake pads. If they appear too thin, one or have less than a quarter inch of pad material, it's time to replace them. Remember, one brake pad can compromise your stopping power and safety. To maintain optimal braking performance, there are a few things you can do. First, ensure your brake fluid is at the recommended level and consider having it flushed regularly. Secondly, be mindful of any unusual noises or vibration while braking. If you experience this, it's a sign to have your brakes checked by a professional. If you want to dive deeper into brake system maintenance and stay up to date with the latest advancements, I encourage you to tune into AutoProTalks. We discuss expert tips, industry trends, and answer your burning questions. Our mission is to empower you with knowledge to keep your brakes in top shape and ensure a smooth and safe driving experience. That wraps up our brake system 101, stopping power unleashed. Remember, taking care of your brakes is essential for your safety on the road. Stay tuned for more informative videos and be sure to follow Prince Automotive for expert automotive advice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Until next time, drive safe and keep those brakes in top-notch condition.